Johnson City Honda, Johnson City.
You are going to love the 2026 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. Come see the car for yourself.